Hey travel lovers, if you're dreaming of your next big adventure, Canada's got a secret. Actually, 5 of them. Let's count down the top 5 most beautiful islands in Canada that you absolutely need to explore. First up, Vancouver Island in British Columbia. Imagine snow-capped mountains meeting the wild Pacific, ancient rainforests, and quaint little towns like Tofino and Victoria. If you love surfing, whale watching, or hiking through the lush Pacific Rim National Park Reserve, this place is basically your playground, and trust me, Butchart Gardens in full bloom? Unreal. Number 2, Prince Edward Island, way out in Atlantic Canada. This is where rolling green hills flow right into red sand beaches, dotted with those classic lighthouses straight out of a storybook. You'll want to dive into some fresh mussels or lobster, and if you're into Anne of Green Gables, this is your mecca. Take a drive along the Point's East Coastal Drive and just soak it all in. Third, the Magdalen Islands, Îles de la Madeleine in Quebec. Think dramatic sandstone cliffs, wind-sculpted dunes, and a lively French Acadian culture that makes every village pop with color. Try kite surfing, spot some seals, or just wander the artisan shops. You'll never want to leave. At number 4, Haida Gwaii, off the coast of BC. This place is pure magic. Ancient forests, wild beaches, and the deep roots of indigenous Haida heritage. Wander among centuries-old totem poles, explore the legendary UNESCO Gwaii Hanas, and let that coastal scenery blow your mind. And finally, Fogo Island in Newfoundland and Labrador. Stark, dramatic, and totally unforgettable, with traditional fishing villages and the stunning Fogo Island Inn perched right over the Atlantic. The views? Next level. So, which island will you explore first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspo. Happy travels!